In a shocking incident today, one bus collided with a scooter at Songsak Tebil Bongnegre, East Garo Hills district. It is reported that 3 students were riding in a scooter collided in one sharp turning in the national highway passing through Songsak. Out of 3 students, one declared dead on the spot, while the other 2 were referred to Guwahati for emergency treatment. Life is precious. We are sad that this incident had occurred. Songsak police have registered the case and investigation is going on. We request parents and guardians all over the state not to allow and encourage underage children to drive two-wheelers freely.
Bike, scooter ba salbo? Isang ba ka ba sa siba to?
Yaman mandi kondin ya yaman.
Oh, bike na kayo mo?
Kaya ka na din biso speed ting himang sa tagak kaya na to ko na.
Ram pressure man do mayra.
Speed belum hana biso.
Isang naman din pulang ang ino.
tam도 kimi lang dala puli.
Panga
na. Ayaw, Scooty.